Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today I am here with very amazing and charming contrasting eye and lips makeup ideas. If you want to do any makeup with contrast lips and eye makeup, then this video will be very helpful for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. In this video, you can see lipstick and eye makeup. Lipstick and eye makeup can create a beautiful contrast when applied strategically. Here are a few ways you can achieve an appealing contrast. For example, bold lips and subtle eyes. If you want to draw attention to your lips, opt for a bold lipstick shade like red berry or deep plum. Keep your eyes makeup more understandable by using neutral or earthy tones like taupe brown or beige. This way, your lips becomes the focal point of your makeup look. Like these ideas and contrasting ideas, smoky eyes and nude lip. For a classic evening look, create a smoky eye effect using the dark eyeshadows. Shades like charcoal, black or deep brown. Pair this intense eye makeup with a nude or neutral lip color, such as a light pink or beige. This combination allows for your eyes to stand out while maintaining the balance with a more subdued lip color. Another combination, bright eye and soft lips. If you want to emphasize your eyes, use the vibrant eyeshadows color like blue, greens or purple. Apply these shades on your eyelids and blend them well. To complement the bold eye makeup, choose a soft and neutral lip color like a light pink or peachy shade. All these are about contrasting makeup, eye and lip contrasting makeup. This will enhance your beauty and your personality. This creates a contrast between the vibrant eyes and a more subtle lip color. Monochromatic look. For a more coordinated contrast, you can create a monochromatic